So if you like easy cubing, then this one's for you. So today in this video, we're going to learn how to solve Pyraminx. Before you learn how to solve the Pyraminx, you need to know which pieces are which. Now these pieces surrounded by these pieces, this is the center. And these are the edges. And these are not really useful, but they're called the tip pieces. They don't play an important role in solving this. So let's just get to work. Now first we need to solve the centers because they all need to be on the same face. So we just move this until the same color centers are on the same face. Now you don't need to worry about doing it on the other sides because it will usually automatically be there. Now you align the tip pieces. Now they're all done. Now we need to get to the edges. So face this at the bottom. Now this needs to go here. So you do this. Now move it out of the way so it doesn't get spoiled back. And make sure this is an edge that was never there in its original spot. So bring that down and then bring this back so the center doesn't get spoiled. Now just do this for everything until you reach a situation that like this that needs a specific algorithm. Now in this situation you've got one face solved, but on the other three sides you've got a bit of a situation. Now where you see these edges where they have to move in the anti-clockwise direction, do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime. And the cube is solved. Now in this situation, we've got a pretty similar looking one to the previous one. But in this situation, the edges have to move clockwise. So do this algorithm. L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U prime, L. And the cube is solved. Now here we've got a situation where when we try to connect the edge, since all of these edges are already solved, we cannot move that edge. So in this situation, you do this algorithm. Front, U, R, U prime, R prime, and front prime. And the cube is solved. Now we've got a situation that looks similar to the last one. It's the same. Basically, you try to connect an edge, but it won't let you because there's no other unsolved edge to be able to use. So, but the only difference between this and the previous one is that it has to move in the clockwise direction. So in that case, do this algorithm. Front, R, U, R prime, U prime, and front prime. And the cube is solved. Now in this situation, you got two edges flipped over and you're not able to get them back. So in that case, just do this algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime, U, L prime, U prime, L. And the cube is solved. Now those are all of the situations you can encounter while you're finishing a Pyraminx. Now I hope you like this video, so please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.